Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And today we are looking at this one, which should hopefully be issue number 248 of the ImagineFX magazine for February 2025. Dan the Doggy's with us today. Look at him there, look. Dan the Doggy's with us, he's going to help us. But before we get it, well, this was the last one, which was January, with the dragons. And I think this one's going to be all about the aliens, the film, the Alien film. But before we get into it, I do want to apologise for not being very good at replying to comments on the video. There is a lot of reasons. But, well, I'm going to do a podcast soon about, because somebody asked if I'm still doing spiritual videos about spiritual stuff and things. So I think I've got to do a podcast really about that. But here we go. Dan the Doggy's going to get us in. What do you think it is? Is it going to be better than that one? Oh, it's aliens. Yay! Yay! I love that. That is cool. My cousin will love that, because my cousin loves the aliens and predators. This is by the artist Kyle Brown. Alien Romulus fan art. Here, look, the art of Alien. I think this is going to be cool, this issue. We've got a black spine and a hint of green in the title. Well, that one is definitely, for me, favourite out of those two covers. And even though it's not a beautiful female, I think that's going to be one of the best covers of the year. The only thing wrong with it, as I always say, is look, the shininess. Look at it, it looks like it's got water on it. So let's get into... Oh, and also, I went into W.H. Smith's couple of weeks ago, and I found the regular cover, and in person I do think that the regular cover was actually nicer than that one. There's something about that cover which is cool. So I wonder what the yay! But the regular cover is the same one on this one, but for some reason they changed it on the last one. There's one little thing that's getting me about this. It's called tangents. There's this thing called tangents where, like, overlapping lines and things look like things. Well, you see that there? It looks a bit like a willy. I don't know, that's just what my... If I look at that, I sort of see that as a willy. That's the only thing I would have changed, is maybe I would have had that coming out here or something. That's cool. The alien's such a cool character, isn't it? Boing! Little Rob gets a kiss. It's going to be cool, this is. I like the look of that one. Nice friendly sketches. So what stands out? I love the look of that one. Mike Butkus. It's his art studio. Yeah, look, loads of aliens in here. My favourite thing is actually that one though. I like the look of that one there. Design creepy architecture as well. So the next one is going to be tabletop game art. That'd be nice as well. Look, we've got like I like the purple and orange there. That's Jungle Book, isn't it? So that'll be on the 14th of January, look. Can you believe we're already into, well, we're nearly into 2025. It's crazy. Love that one. Yeah, look, they're exactly the same on this one. Yeah, I was going to say that green was very bright, but then I noticed that green is bright as well. But on the regular cover, that green actually works much better because there's a lot more green everywhere else. So in FXPosé, look, this is like Studio Ghibli. Studio Ghibli. Oh, nice they are. Hey, I like that. Look at that. Teo Skaffa. How cool of a character is that, look? She's cool, she is. Even that little dragon's cool as well. Like, they're obviously friends, aren't they? Do you think? Maybe in another, like, look, little ghost. She's got a ghost with her. I love that character. These are cool as well. Look at that. That's weird, isn't it? That's a triangle, look. They're funny. I like that one. Yay, sketches, look. Oscar. Oh, these are nice, look. Look at those ones there, look. God, they're cool. Beautiful gestures. They're quite angular as well, look. Oh, that's nice as well. I love that one. Giant fox. Here's the rookies. Look at him, look. Quite funny. Oh, season 2. That reminded me of Arcane. Series 2 is on. Look, the art behind Alien Romulus. Do you think that's like the best monster character design ever? I can't really think of a... The Alien is much better than Predator, I think. I can't really think of a monster that is as sort of terrifying as the Alien. Could you imagine if... you know my cousin? I was talking to my mum about this the other day. In London, Hey, I've got that one. I remember him. In London, like 20 years ago or something, they used to have this thing where you could go into like, it was like some sort of big warehouse or something, and you were pretending to be Marines, and there were like aliens on the loose. And I remember my cousin went in that, and he said it was really scary, but I was quite young then. Mike Butkus's art studio. Hey look, it's got a boxing bag, punch bag. That chair's interesting. This almost looks a little bit like a doctor's surgery or something. Oh, cool, look, the sofa as well. I'd love to have a big room like that. Starfield. Yeah, I'd love to have a big, massive room like that. Because I'm quite cramped now. Letters! I still can't believe one of my thingies got in there. That I was so like taken back by that. Fearful visions. ImagineFX explores the visual heritage of the visceral alien cosmos and its development over the franchise's history. Cool. Look at that, look. How mad's that? Yeah, look, a little dinosaur. That's probably why it's so scary, because it kind of looks real. It's probably based on dinosaurs and things. Yeah, so you can actually imagine it being real. Whereas a lot of the other monsters, you can't really imagine them being real. Almost, I would say the monster on Stranger Things. That one's the alien is sort of so close to being real. Katerina's sketchbook. Yeah. They're all like fluffy. These must have all been done with ink. They're all like fluffy, look. I like that one. Yeah, like you could sort of like, especially that one, you can feel like fluffiness. Here's the workshops. I like that one. Oh, look at those two. Kyle Brown. That's who did the cover. Ah, look, that's the cover one. That is cool. Yeah, it's basically a human. It's like a human, isn't it? Mixed with a monster. Look, you get the Photoshop brushes there, look. That's interesting. Ah, different renderings. Look at that rib cage. Look, you go from something dark like that to something, well, it's light, but it's still quite dark. What's happening to them, do you think? You sort of wonder what's behind the camera, don't you? Paint fan art with emotion. Like a little rat. I like those characters. Creepy architecture. I like the composition of that one. Look, Alien Romulus. Oh cool, they even created, look, they even created a floor plan. Mad. Look, they changed the person. It was a man, and it's more like a woman at the end. Oh, look at that. I love those colours. Green and red. You don't very often see that, do you? Green and red. Yeah. Oh, I want to see that character a bit more. I like the fact that this is like muted. And Maulina from Indonesia. Oh, I want to see more of that. I love this one as well, look. Magdalina Dianova. Pop. Look at her feet. She's got really thin legs and big feet. She's obviously an artist, look. Cool. Hey, look. Oh, weird, look. I like it like that as well. I really like it like that. And that. It's cool, that is. I like the lighting as well. Forge a world with colour. And yet, funnily, there's not much colour in that. Talks about the choices made building concept art for a fantasy city setting. It's like Final Fantasy. That's an interesting shape, that building. Here's the reviews. XP Pen Artist Pro 19. 4.5 it got. Look at that. £900. Expensive, isn't they? These things. You got to wonder whether it's really worth getting the latest and greatest. You're better off getting an old one, I think, because you get an old one for cheap, and then you don't mind smashing it, like being rough with it. If I spent £1,000 on a thing like that, I wouldn't want to use it. I'd be scared to use it, I think. Huyan Canvas. UG. What's this here? Look, a fast portable drive, £85. That's an SSD. Look. Wonder how big it is. That's what she said. Oh yay! Look, that's my favourite one. I want to see that. This is traditional. All the owls. I heard an owl the other day on the way to work. In the park. I like that one. Look, he's got arrows in him. I like these. Yay! Draw vibrant character art. Oh yeah, look. Look at her hat, look. What a cool character. Who's this by? Lidia Cambon. This was done with markers, coloured fine liners, and an eraser pencil. So pencil for fine liners and markers. Copic markers. Well, it's actually OLO markers. I like her room as well. Cool, we got the whole thing lit. God, look, it starts out quite stiff, to be honest. There's not much gesture there, is there? That's quite weird, that. But I didn't think the character was stiff. Yeah, it's probably like her outfit is her outfit has got the gesture in it or something. Oh, I love that one. Reminds me of Mario. That's cool, that is. First Impressions with Sarah Finnegan. That's cool. That reminds me of Halo. Boing! That's it, look, another one's done. I really enjoyed that one. I thought that was brilliant. Well, my favourite character in it is definitely that girl. I love that one. But I really liked how sort of dark this one was. Yeah. I feel like they actually went into the alien thing. I love that character as well. She might be my favourite character actually. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 248 of the ImagineFX magazine for February 2025, and we're getting very close now to issue 250, and I'm going to do something quite cool for that one. I won't tell you what it is just yet, but it's going to be. I've been looking forward to doing this for a couple of years really. But I can't believe we're going to get close. We're into issue 250. How mad is that? But I really hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you later for another one.